Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Narissa here again. So today I have a hair curling tutorial for you guys, and I'm really excited to show you this because a lot of you guys requested it, and by a lot I mean like 2 people. Yeah, this is the look I usually go for. It's just like really big, bouncy, natural looking curls. When I have my hair done like this, like I feel like a completely different gal. Like I feel so powerful. When you have good hair, like everything just looks good. Everything just falls into place, you know? So yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I do before I curl my hair is actually put in some cream, and this is the hair treatment cream from Lucido L. So that's what it looks like. So this cream has some heat protection in it, which is what we need, and it also deeply moisturizes hair, which is what my hair really needs as well. So yeah, I really do like this product. And if I'm not using this one, I use the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. And this is a leave-in reparative styling cream. And between these two, I actually prefer this one. And this one's way cheaper than the Olaplex. Girl, she was super expensive. So I have already put a little bit of this in my hair, so it's ready to be curled. The hair curler I use is this one by Vivid and Vogue. This is an amazing hair curler. It's an automatic hair curler. There's these 2 buttons here, and it actually rotates, which is so amazing. And it saves me so much time from doing my hair. If I use a normal hair curler, I take like at least an hour to curl my hair because I do have a lot of hair and it's like really thick. But yeah, with this it only takes like 15 minutes to half an hour, which is so good. I just take a lot of time to get ready. I think you can just like type in automatic hair curler in like Amazon or like Shopee or something, and yeah, this will pop up probably. So yeah, that's the curler I use. The first thing I do is I separate my hair into 2 sections. So basically what I do is I go around the crown of my head, like right above the ears, and I just separate the top and bottom sections. And then I just twist it, and I just clip it with this little clip, and just clip that away. And then I separate the bottom half into 2 sections again. So before you curl your hair, you just want to comb it through, make sure there's no knots or anything like that. And this is just a tangle teaser. It reduces so much damage compared to like the normal comb. And now I just take the hair curler. So basically if I'm curling the left side, I curl it towards the left so that the curl is going outwards like that and not like inwards towards my face. Just so you have that like blowout hair look. So I'll just take like 1-inch sections like that. So it has these like forks right here, so it actually like grabs the hair like that. So what I usually do is I pull it out, and then I put one of the forks in, and then press the button, and it just like automatically like gets all the hairs because of these forks. And then I just hold it for about like 5 seconds. And there you have your curl. That was so easy, right? Like it really takes like no effort at all with this hair curler. It's amazing. But yeah, it's really simple, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, that's really just it. So I'm just gonna continue curling this side. And then when I get the curl, I just throw it to the back. So yeah, I'll just move on to the next section. So I'll just get it in the fork and then press the button. It really is so easy. Like, it just gets all the hair in for you. I mean, it does take a little bit of getting used to, but once you get it, it's just the easiest thing you could ever do. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing that for the rest of my hair. It just gives you very tight curl, and you just want to leave that in and give it a little scrunch. Let it cool down. This will give you like longer lasting curls if you leave it like this rather than combing it out straight away. I'll move on to the right side. Of course, I'm using the opposite button for this side to like curls outwards again. Just the same thing again, honestly. It's so simple. Oh no. And sometimes it does come out like that, but you just have to like, you know, push it back in and just rotate it again and everything's fine. So, how's everyone doing? Is quarantine treating you well? I hope everyone's doing okay. I obviously have way more time to film videos, so that is what I'm currently doing. So that's the bottom section done. Let's give it a little scrunch again to cool them down and set them in place. Very, very tight curls at the moment, but don't worry, we'll brush them out for a more natural look. So I'll do the top section now. So I just let it out like that. And the bottom section's back there. Just separate it into two again. Same like the bottom section. Oh my god. My hair is growing out. I need to go for a color ASAP, but I can't. So yeah, I'll just do the same thing again on both sides. So this is what it looks like after I curled my hair. But I'm not done yet because I still have to do my fringe, and I think this is the most important part because it just really frames your face nicely, and I like to have a lot of volume up here. So I use this Babyliss, is that how you say it? It's just like a hair dryer but with a brush at the top. It's so good for giving you volume up here. If you don't have this, obviously you can just use a hair dryer and a round brush to like, you know, do that thing. Yeah, this is what I use and it just makes my life so much easier because I'm really bad with the brush and a hairdryer actually. So what I do first is I just grab my fringe section like that and I just separate the sides to the back. And then just like give it a comb through. This is gonna be really loud, so I'm gonna mute it. So basically what I do is I take this, just roll it through the end and roll it all the way up and just leave it there for like 5 seconds or something like that. And then I put it on the cool setting and leave it there for like just a few seconds and then I take it out. Yeah, this just gives like a lot of volume as you can see, and it just helps give you that blowout Victoria's Secret model look, you know? And I also usually do another one. And if you have time, you can do it throughout the root and it'll just really give you that volume that you want. Now I just comb through my curls. I really like a more loose curl. And yeah, that's usually how I do my hair. I don't really put hairspray or anything in it because I don't like it when my hair is like crunchy, you know? So yeah, that's the finished look. And it's just so easy to do. Girl, she needs to do them roots ASAP. God. And just to finish off, I usually put in a bit, like the tiniest bit of hair oil. And this is the one I usually use. I think it's a Korean brand. But my hair does get really oily really fast, so I just put a little tiny amount on like the ends of my hair just to give it a little bit of shine, put some life back into it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment them down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!